Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this Landrover Defender. So what we need to do, we need to go to music. We'll just pick a record to play. We'll click that one. And then we go on to the actual record. You'll see there, that's what will play. I'm going to turn it down. But you see at the bottom there, AVIC F960DAB. That's the unit in this car. If I click on that, you've got a choice. You can either play it through the music through the iPhone or this AVIC system. So that's what we want. We now go over to the unit. We click the menu button. There you go. You've got Navi, apps, and AV telephone there. We want AV. That's it. We want Bluetooth. There you go. That's it playing. If for any reason you can't see the name of the record or you can't hear the music, click on the downward arrow there. And there you go. As I say, if we come to it, nothing was playing, that's on auxiliary. We click on the downward arrow, then we click on Bluetooth, and then that's the record. If I click play there. So that's how you do it.